Well, today is my final day at this camp. This has just been a wonderful spot here. This is day number 12. I stayed here for 12 days, and it's just been a wonderful spot to relax and get grounded and recentered. Weather here has been perfect. I just couldn't really ask for a better stay here. It's been really neat at this spot here. Down in this ravine, there's a little creek. 12 days ago when I showed up, all that green down there, those trees hadn't budded out yet. They were just bare sticks, and I got to watch them bud out and start to turn green over the course of a week and a half or so. So that's been very cool. Watching the snow melt on these mountain caps here. This one had quite a bit more snow on it over the course of the last 12 days. Has melted off quite a bit. This has just been an awesome camp here. Been really enjoying just having my own little spot here to just admire this beauty. It's been amazing, but it's time to move on. I need to start heading north. It's approaching that time for my seasonal job to start, so I need to get up to Washington State. I'm going to get the trail bike loaded up, get my table and water jugs put away. Most of the van is pretty organized, good to go. Spent yesterday doing that, so we will continue this adventure. I'm going to spend a little moment here, one last few minutes, soaking it all in. So grateful to be able to have the freedom to stay in beautiful spots like this. I'm gonna do a quick walk around here. Remember, got a few things sitting on the rack I need to take care of. The adventure continues. Okay, let's see if we can get out of here. All right, this is it. Moving on, getting back on the road. It's always kind of bittersweet when I'm leaving a real nice camp. It's exciting to get back on the road, but I hate leaving such a nice spot. But we got a beautiful day ahead of us. I'm gonna stop and find some water. Been here for 12 days and I went through just about all my water. I got about 2 gallons of drinking water left. Okay, we are using Highway 395 heading north. Running along the east side of the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Gonna kick back and enjoy the drive. Away we go. Wow, look at these big green things here. Trees. There's more than just a few of them. That's a sight for sore eyes. Nice. At about 7,400 feet elevation and climbing. Ah, dang it. They got this road blocked off. I was wondering if they're going to try to regulate up here because of this pandemic thing, and it looks like it. Shoot. Check this gate. Oh, well, that's no good. Well, it's only about noon. I did try to get here early just in case this type of thing happened. Seems like it's been kind of hit or miss lately with national forests being open. Have to back down here and turn around. Shoot. Well, I'm just gonna try another little forest road here. See if this isn't closed off. I'd imagine there's just not any pull-offs here. This is probably just gonna get smaller and smaller. This is a forest road. It's not a private road. There's a little pull-off right there. I think I'm gonna snag that. I'm gonna go up a little further. I am done driving on pavement for the day, so I think I'm gonna use that little pull-off. Just call it a camp. Ah, someone's set up down here. Boy, there's a river. They've got a pretty elaborate tent camp down here. Let's see if I can go up the other way. Oh, I think this is another spot. It is. Sweet. I think I can fit in here. I want to screw myself. Get stuck. Yo! That's a little sketchy. Hey. I think I can get out though. Heck yeah. Well, that paid off. I don't know if I can turn around in here. Oh, right by a creek, guys. Perfect. Got some neighbors down there. Oh, buy some water. Heck yeah. Well, that was about a 20-point turn right there. I'm gonna call that a spot. Oh, first thing, I smell these pine trees. Oh, it smells so good. This crystal clear water running by. My gosh. This is a little treat. Super glad I found this. Sometimes you just happen upon the nicest of spots. This will work for an overnight or two. Not sure how long I'll stay here. Maybe a night, maybe two. Really do need to keep moving north, so we'll see how I feel in the morning. But I'm going to kick back and enjoy the afternoon here. It is gorgeous. Well, I was able to finish up some spoons for my last video. I showed this spoon here, so I was able to finish it up and get some oil on it. I think it turned out really nice. Got some shape on it, gave the bowl quite a treatment there. It was a lot bigger and rounder, so I brought it down smaller into a point. And then I showed these two as unfinished as well, and was able to get this one finished up. Kind of gave the same treatment on the bowl there. This again is ash wood, these first two. And then the last one, this apple wood, this ladle, I think turned out really nice. A nice spine on it. And with the oil, it really brought out the grain there. So that's that. Alright guys, so check this out. I did look this up. This is technically National Forest land. This is a legit camp. It's free camping up to 14 days. Real special little spot. But it does border some private land. There's a barbed wire fence here with some posted signs. And so that is definitely private land. Right at my camp here, there's a little access spot right at my camp. And then also just a little walk here. Check this out. Seems to be a big down log here, but it's got like rebar in it. So I don't know what that's all about, but this is like a prime little fishing spot. Look at this. Wow. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. And yeah, where's my camp? How cool is that?